Okay, so first I'm going to be taking the Eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm taking this double-ended brush. And I'm going to dip a little bit into the pomade. Just a little bit goes a long, long way, guys. Now these are for when I do like dramatic brows. When I do like everyday or average eyebrows, I use the Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil. I go in and about halfway, I'm going to draw how I wish to have the shape of my brows. On the bottom, and I'm not dipping back into it. I'm gonna go in and make sure that's how I want the brow to look on the bottom. And looks pretty good to me. Alright, so then I dip back a little bit in, like further on the end. I define how I want the, ooh, I messed that all the way up. So I go, make sure you brush the hair so everything is like laid out the way you want it to. And then on the top, just carve out how you want the top to look. And then we'll do it to the brows left. Make little hair like strokes to fill in the brow. And don't worry if it gets like messy or like your lines don't look how you want them to look, because you'll be going in with concealer. Well, I go in with concealer and conceal my brows. So after you have it like filled in to the way you want it, you brush it out, make sure there's no like lumps of product anywhere. The next step that I do is I take a little flat Morphe concealer brush. This one does not have any number on it because it came in like a pack that I got off online. And I take my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Biscuit. This has been like my go-to since I've got it. I love it. And I just take the brush in there like that, and then there's a little product on there. All you need is a little bit. Then you'll start midway through your brows. This is if you want to conceal your brows. A lot of people don't like to conceal their brows, so yeah. Then you just line, just like to make it sharp to clean up. You know, just clean it up wherever. And you want to get as close as your brow as you can get. And you don't want your concealer to be too light. You don't want it to be too light, so it looks like you have like a highlight beam underneath your eyebrow. But you want it to be, you don't want it to be your exact color. Mine is one shade. Mine is almost my exact color. It doesn't look like it right here, but I'll show you guys when I'm finished. Then you want to take a beauty blender and blend it out with your skin. And then me, what I like to do, sorry, saw like the atrocious half of my face. Yeah, I like to do, not everyone likes to do this, but I also conceal the top of my brows. That's why I said a concealer that is almost, that's not too light. Yeah. So then, see, still not a lot of product on there at all. And I never start from the beginning. I always start about halfway. I either use this NARS concealer or I use the Tarte Shape Tape. But this one is like potted, so I like really love this one. Like something that I just love it. And then just blend it in with the Beauty Blender. Look at this beautiful brow. And there's, if you always want to like go back in with the dip brow, you could just go back in with the same little angled brush, you know, dip back into it. And boom, baby, boom, boom, baby, boom.